Wenger trying to drive to the net, send it across, shot, tip, score! What a tip at the back post. Trying to drive to the net, send it across, shot, tip, score! What a tip at the back post. Center ice. Gain the red line, dump the puck here, kick to the side of the net, pushed aside by Luding. Wrap around a tip near post, save, rebound, shot, another save, Luding at the back post. Seattle trying to clear, kept in at the blue line by Bukac. Moves to center ice. Neuls plays it inside the zone, gets deep in the zone on Harchi, goes to the net, put it on the pad, save, score! Perseverance by Donvoan Neuls. T-Birds score. Deep in the zone on Harchi, goes to the net, put it on the pad, save, score! Perseverance by Donvoan Neuls. Neuls plays it inside the zone, gets deep in the zone on Harchi, goes to the net, put it on the pad, save, score! Perseverance by Donvoan Neuls. T-Birds score with 4.5 to go in the first period. It's 2-1. And now Brandon will dump the puck in, a break in front of the net. Backhand shot, score! Now Brandon will dump the puck in, a break in front of the net. Backhand shot, score! Whittick shot it across. Now it comes to Mateus at the near circle, steps in, shot, block, rebound, shot, score! Across. Now it comes to Mateus at the near circle, steps in, shot, block, rebound, shot, score! With Neuls. Onside right wing. Working it on the half wall. Up top, Lee pulls a shot, score! Jake Lee with the goal. On the half wall. Up top, Lee pulls a shot, score! By Harchi. He'll take it behind his own net. Pressure there by Andrusiak. Steals the puck, looking in front for Philp. Fires a shot, and he will score! And the T-Birds are within one. Behind his own net. Pressure there by Andrusiak. Steals the puck, looking in front for Philp. Fires a shot, and he will score! And the puck kept onside, dumped on net, right in the crease, poked in for the goal. Kept onside, dumped on net, right in the crease, poked in for the goal. And Andrusiak played it onside, right wing boards for Philp, gets around some traffic. In front, tip shot, score! Dillon Hamaliuk at the back post, tips in the Philp feed. T-Birds back within one with 7.5 to go. Right wing boards for Philp, gets around some traffic. In front, tip shot, score! Dillon Hamaliuk. Andrusiak played it onside, right wing boards for Philp, gets around some traffic. In front, tip shot, score! Dillon Hamaliuk at the back post, tips in the Philp feed. T-Birds back within one. And it can't clear it past Strand from the near circle. Dipsy Doodles wigs his way in, fires a shot at the back post, shot, score! Zack Andrusiak ties the game. Dipsy Doodles wigs his way in, fires a shot at the back post, shot, score! Past Strand from the near circle. Dipsy Doodles wigs his way in, fires a shot at the back post, shot, score! Zack Andrusiak ties the game. Oh, now out to center ice, tip. Here comes Whitting onside left wing, looks to drive the net, fires a shot in the glove, save made by Luding at the right post. Noah Philp, who had a goal and an assist in this game tonight, ready to skate in with a puck across the Brandon blue line. Waits, holds, backhand shot, scores inside the near post. Stelio, Mateos, over the boards. No walk in the park facing him. He had a partial breakaway goal in this game. He breaks in on Luding, snapped on goal, save on the glove by Luding at the near post. Now Austin Strand with a big chance here for Seattle. The T-Bird defenseman set up the tying goal, breaks in, almost lost the puck. He scored in the shootout the other night. Walks, forehand, backhand, scores!
5-hole.
Now Ty Lewis.
He's got to score.
And they just send out great player after great player against Luding. You go back to that Swift Current game. They were throwing everybody out. Every NHL draft pick they had. Here's Lewis. Weaves his way across the blue line. Luding waits, comes in, shot, scored under the bar.
Okay.
Donnie skates his way in. Thompson comes out. Donnie, fake, shoots, scores! And Seattle will win the shootout and the game. 6-5. That magic number of 6 reached again by Seattle as they pick up their 5th straight win with this victory tonight. Seattle now 4-2 in the shootouts. 25-16, 4-2, 56 points. Just 4 points out of second place in the U.S. division and a season best 9 games above 500 here in late January. But Seattle picks up the victory. 6-5 is your final.